Did you watch hundreds and hundreds of videos on YouTube and you're finally ready to create your first YouTube channel? Right choice, my friend, but where to start? In this video, I'll give you 5 golden rules to follow to get you started on YouTube. I'm Alessandro and I'm an online marketing expert, and in this channel, I give tips and advice on how to create and start your online business, how to grow it with customers and clients, and how to make it your real job and leave the one you have right now that probably sucks. If this sounds good to you, subscribe to this channel with the red button you have below and click on the bell so I can annoy you with notifications every time I will post a new video. Now seriously, I will be discreet, click on the bell. But let's talk about my 5 golden rules. Welcome to the Growth Academy. When you create your first YouTube channel, there are some things that are more important than creating a great logo or uploading a good-looking banner on your YouTube header, or writing an engaging description, or creating a channel trailer. And don't get me wrong, all those things are essential, but they are secondary compared to the one that I'm listing in this video. So why am I wasting time? Let's start with number 1. Choose your niche carefully. It takes a long time to grow your YouTube channel, and if you choose the wrong topic, the wrong niche at the beginning, you will find out after 1 year that you're posting videos that your YouTube channel is useless. Your main topic should be completely clear to your audience, and it should be your North Star for the first 100-150 videos you will post. When you're famous, then at that point you can do videos on whatever you want. I think that PewDiePie right now is doing a video on how to cook the best carbonara. But till you don't get to that point, you need to stick with your niche, and you need to do videos just about your area. On this matter, I've done another video in the past where I talk about how to spot your perfect niche. And you should have a card around here or here. I think it's here. How professional. Number 2, spend your money carefully. As I said earlier, you don't have to worry much about how your channel looks like. And I know this is a huge stumbling block for a lot of people who want to start. They don't start creating their channel till the channel looks like a professional one. But look, people will watch your videos even if they are not top-notch. And this concerns as well the tools you're using to create your videos. In the future, you can invest in an expensive camera, but for the beginning, your smartphone is good enough. Don't use your savings to buy an expensive microphone or an expensive stand. Look, at the beginning when I started, my stand for my smartphone was the box of my iron. Sure, not proud of it, but it did its part. And to spare money on a microphone, I suggest you to buy a Rode Lavalier mic. That is one of those microphones that you can mount on your shirt. I have one for my outdoor videos and it sounds terrific. And I spent just $20 for it. If there's an area where you should invest your money, that's for lights. Lights are super important for your YouTube channel and your videos. If I wouldn't have lights behind the camera right now, I would look like Gollum in Lord of the Rings. And instead, look at this. If you don't know what to choose, I added the link to the lights that I'm using in the description of this video, so check below. The bottom line here is to spare money on everything except from lights. And we know that to create videos you need tools and software. There is no other way around that. So if you want to spare money on that as well, I created a PDF with a list of paid and free tools that you can use to produce your videos. And in that list I put tools for every area, for video editing, audio editing, screen recording, animation and transactions. So you have the link in the description below this video. Number 3, just hit record. Let me tell you one thing, your first videos suck. Check whatever YouTuber you want, get to the origin of her channel and you will see that her videos were totally horrible compared to the current ones. And it's totally normal to be ashamed. Everyone on YouTube had to go through that. You will hate the way you look, you will hate the way you sound, you will have second thoughts on publishing your stuff. But here's the sad but relieving truth. nobody will watch your first 20 videos. When I posted my first 20 videos on YouTube, I thought YouTube was broken. But it's actually like this. Your YouTube channel at the beginning will be like a desert. Your first 20 videos will be just to practice your skills and get better in creating videos and being in front of the camera if you are in front of the camera. And they're meant to show YouTube that you're serious with your channel and you are posting consistently. And just after YouTube will have this certainty, then it will start sending some traffic to your videos. Number 4, look straight in the camera. Probably I don't need to tell you this thing, but I still see people making this mistake. There are still people looking at the screen instead of looking in the camera. It's pretty annoying, isn't it? Sometimes I saw someone looking at an imprecise point at the ceiling and I still didn't understand why. I mean, guys, give me an answer. Write in the comments why this is happening. Looking straight in the camera create a connection with people that are watching the video. If you're not looking at the camera and you're looking somewhere else, people will think you're an asshole for no reason. Number 5, be consistent. Again, this advice on YouTube is all about consistency. You should treat your YouTube channel as a TV series. You have to be online, you have to be on air every single week, no matter what. This means you need to be prepared in case you're busy to follow your schedule. And the only way to be consistent on YouTube and avoid these situations is to produce your videos in batch. When I film at least 3 videos. Look, I even have a change of clothes to give the impression that I'm shooting my videos in different days. Shit, I shouldn't have said that. I always have a good list of videos and then every week I have something to publish. Remember, YouTube needs a proof that you're serious with your channel. And just after YouTube realizes that you're posting consistently, at that point, it will send some traffic to your channel. Before I close this video, I have an extra content for you and it's a document I created with a checklist of things that you have to do every time you post a new video on YouTube. It's a checklist that is really good to have in front of you next time you will need to upload a new video. So you have the link in the description. Check the link and download it. If you like this video, remember to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell so you will have a notification every time I post a new video on this channel. Question of the day: what niche did you choose for your YouTube channel? Write the answer in the comments, and if you have any question for me, write it in the comments as well and I will reply to all the questions in there. And for the rest, my friend, I'll see you in the comments below or I'll see you in the next video. Cheers, mate.